everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by Sephora Milk Makeup. KUSH Hydrating Sheer Lip Oil. This price is $26. A sheer non-sticky lip oil made with hydrating oils that deliver an intense hit of hydration and shine for smoother, fuller-looking lips. Hemp seed oil hydrates, nourishes, and conditions lips for a soft, comfortable feel. Color: Dream Machine, Guava with a sheer mauve tint. Sunflower oil and coconut oil soothes and moisturizes dry, chapped lips. Color: Green Dragon, Sage and Peppermint with a clear tint. Camellia japonica seed oil intensely hydrates and restores lips without a greasy feel. Color: Chocolate Cake Cacao with a sheer chocolate tint. This nourishing, non-greasy formula is packed with a super high concentration of hydrating oils to create one of the most natural lip. Color: Orange Crush Citrus with a sheer orange tint. Oils you've ever tried, each sheer. Universal shade has a subtle, juicy flavor and cushiony texture that conditions and moisturizes to soothe and smooth dry, chapped lips. Color: Pink Magic Watermelon with a sheer hot pink tint. 100% say lips feel soft and supple. 96% say lips immediately feel hydrated, moisturized. Color: Cookie Dough Tahitian Vanilla with a sheer rosy beige tint. Minus 90% say lips feel smooth after 1 week of use asterisk. In a consumer perception study of 31 people using the product in a 6-hour period and 1 week of use. If you like today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.